Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a simple yet important topic: how to allow Gmail to access your microphone on your PC after the latest update. Let's get started. First, the first step is to open your Gmail account. Head over to gmail.com and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to give Gmail permission to use your microphone. Next, look at the web address bar at the top of your browser. You should see a small padlock icon next to the URL. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll find an option that says View Site Information. Go ahead and click on that. A new panel will pop up showing you important information about the website. From here, look for the option labeled Site Settings. Click on it to open the settings page specifically for Gmail. Now, we're almost there. You'll see various permissions listed on this page. Look for the one labeled Microphone. To enable Gmail's access, simply change the setting to Allow. This will enable Gmail to use your microphone for features like voice typing or calls. And that's it. You've successfully allowed Gmail to access your microphone on your PC. If you ever need to manage these permissions again, just follow these steps and you'll be good to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and updates.